Hi friends, welcome to my garage. In the spirit of organizing my life, as you guys have seen in quite a few of the videos here on my channel, I thought it would be a good day, because my roommate is gone, I have a free afternoon, to clean the crap that is in my corner of the garage. My roommate and I share this garage. He's got all the tool stuff. We have the laundry back there, which I need to empty. But this, for the most part, is all of my stuff, except for the rope, that's his. But yeah, there's just a lot of stuff. I kind of, when I moved in, took a lot of like boxes that were at my parents' house and just dumped them in this garage. So a lot of it is holiday stuff that we just threw in here. There's a lot of like memorabilia stuff. There's my snowboard, my surfboard. There's just a lot of stuff in here. So with that being said, I got a couple new boxes, like clear bins that I can put stuff in to help organize all of this stuff. So what we're gonna do is go through it, declutter, get rid of some of the stuff that I really don't need. I have trash bags to put that all in, and then I'm gonna dump it in my car where it's probably gonna live for the next 6 months till I take it to Goodwill. It's fine. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't think it'll take me very long, famous last words, but we shall see. I just want to make this look a little more organized because my roommate just built these really great shelves that I think we're going to use for storage. So if nothing else, this corner just needs to be like a little bit more like figured out. So with that in mind, that's what we're going to do this afternoon. Hopefully it won't take me very long, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. Friends, we did it. I didn't think it could be done, but we did it. I'm probably gonna have to move some of the stuff when my roommate gets back. Hello, tripod. But we did it. All of the boxes are done. My boyfriend's actually moving, so I'm gonna break these down and give them to him for helping him move. But you guys, let's do a quick before and after. Like, it's empty, it's organized, everything is in its place. Also, that's that giant Santa you guys saw me struggling with. If you guys have any recommendations on how to better store that, please let me know. He's currently just wrapped in trash bags. So, yeah, there you go. Alright, you guys, so that is it for my garage organization video. This actually took not as much time as I thought it would, thank goodness. And I'm pleasantly surprised with the outcome. I'm gross and sweaty now. But it's been a successful cleaning. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!